Checking out the new 2024 Duke 390 startup sound. Comes with an underbelly exhaust. This one comes with a metal tank. And the console looks really beautiful. With 3 different ride modes: rain, street, track, etc. Then you have your traction control on and off, ABS, road mode, supermoto, 2 modes of ABS, and there is something called launch control. I'm not sure how to get to that mode, but yeah. And these are the mirrors from Dominar. Look good, but have the good view also, actually. So yeah, bike sounds good. So let me see if I can access the launch control without powering on the bike. Okay. ABS, mount, traction control. Okay, I think it's locked or something. Yeah, this looks pretty neat and nice. The kill switch and self starter. This bike has that raw feel of a 390, what used to be there back in 2014 to 2016 in the older versions. So it's got that kind of a growl and sound to it. Looks really nice actually. Hopefully trying to get a test ride sometime soon and check it out. I really like the DRL setup, what is there here on the sides. Indicators pretty much the same, there's no change. And yeah, the braking alloys etc. are totally different on this model. And this is the brand new motor, 398cc, single cylinder, liquid cooled. And this is a huge change across suspension on this bike. Again, it's got your rebound and damping adjustment both on the rear and also on the front. Completely adjustable suspension. Yeah, the rear alloy also looks different. The braking setup has changed completely, and yes, this one comes with the legendary Metzelers to provide you an amazing grip while riding. Tail lamp has changed, looks little bit different, R15ish, Yeah, totally. All in all, it's a completely new bike. There's no common parts between the outgoing version and this one. So yes, the brake reservoir has changed. The brakes are adjustable with a different kind of adjustment. Brake and the clutch both are adjustable. And you have your coolant filling tank right here on the top, unlike the older versions where it used to be behind the cowl, and on the 390 it is on the other side. 390 ADV, it's on the other side. Love this color scheme with the blue and gray. I think the oil filter has come to this side at this point in time. I think this could be the oil filter, and this is the oil drain bolt. Fit finish, I will rate it 10 out of 10. Really looks amazing in terms of fit and finish department, and the kind of equipment what this packs, I think that needs no introduction. This should be having everything what you need on a Street Fighter machine, right? So yes, my friend, so that is the bike, and it's got a different kind of hand grips which are a bit soft and nice to hold. And you have your pass light, and now the Duke 390 has a hazard light also, right? Hazard light switch is provided here, so that's a good add-on. I hope 390 ATV also gets this soon. So I really love this display. I like this display. This has got all features, it shows up, and all of that. And the fuel tank cap is also redesigned, and it's a totally metal tank, which is good. I will say definitely adds on a little bit of weight, but good in terms of longevity of the bike. Okay, let's hear it one more time, how it sounds. You can hear that raw nature of the sound of this beast. And the headlights, quite bright, I would say, right? This is with the high beam. This is just the low beam. I think they're quite bright. Nice throaty exhaust. Alright, my friend, so that is the bike. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Look forward to hearing from you. And in Bangalore, I checked what is the on-road price. They said it is 4,10,000 rupees. Bangalore being one of the highest road tax states, Karnataka. So yeah, so that's little bit about this bike today, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.